What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how I quit my job to work online 100% full-time. I'm going to be walking you through my 3-step process that allowed me to be able to do this within 24 months. So if you want to learn exactly how you can do this for yourself and maybe end up quitting your day job as well, then make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really do appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kirk Buchanan and I'm really excited you decided to join the tribe. So just in case you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I want you to consider subscribing because I'm always putting out some great quality content to teach people exactly how they can start and grow their own successful businesses using the internet. Okay, so with that said, let me talk to you about how I managed to quit my 9-to-5 job within 24 months and start living full-time off the internet. So I'm going to be talking about my very simple 3-step process that can allow anyone to do exactly what I did. So I'm just gonna dive right into it right now. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to talk to you about is learning a relevant skill. And if you've been following my last few videos, you'd realize that I've been talking a lot about learning a relevant skill as it's one of the most important things you can actually do for yourself. All right, so let me dive into some details about this first step in actually using the internet to actually make money so you can actually quit your 9-to-5 at some point in the future. So I've always been fascinated by this whole internet thing and I've always wanted to do something amazing online, but I've always just been super busy with either school, university, or my job. But in 2016, I actually made it a point of duty to learn every single thing I needed to know about digital marketing that I could use to actually run a successful business online. So some of the things I learned in 2016 when I took multiple courses on Udemy, Skillshare, watched multiple YouTube videos and consumed a lot of content on Medium, different blogs. Some of the skills I learned are SEO. I learned writing for the internet, which is a different type of writing altogether. I learned advertising on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I learned how to sell online. So those are just some of the things I learned that have definitely helped me as an internet entrepreneur to actually be able to make some money online that allowed me to be able to quit my full-time job. So that's the first thing you need to do for yourself if you intend on actually using the internet to make money so you can live life on your own terms. You have to learn a relevant skill and you have to learn a marketable skill. So it's not just about learning anything and everything. You have to learn something that you can actually use to make money for yourself. So that's the first thing to do if you intend on making this into your full-time income. The second thing that I want to talk to you about is very important, extremely important, because I'm going to explain why it is so important, then I talk to you about what it is. This is extremely important because even if you have all the knowledge in the world and no one knows about you or the knowledge that you have, you will not be recognized. No one will give you any attention. So it's very important that you actually learn how to market yourself. And in 2017, I actually made it a point of duty to start marketing myself. And that was when I started my YouTube channel. I think I started my YouTube channel around about the middle of 2017, which is about a year and a half ago. And that has been my main way of marketing myself. Since then, I've created a Facebook page and I've grown that to almost 4,000 people. And recently I started building up my Instagram page as well. And as you can see, I have about 15,000 people right now on my YouTube channel. So I've been marketing myself and getting myself in front of as many people as I possibly can. So what that has allowed me to do is to actually reach more people and share the knowledge that I have, the knowledge that I've built up in 2016 from taking all of those courses that I took to learn digital marketing. So me marketing myself was just a way of actually sharing my knowledge, because in 2017 I was actually just doing eBay dropshipping. I was only focused on eBay dropshipping, and when I actually found out that it actually worked, I decided I wanted to share it with other people. I had no other intention, but I knew deep down that this was a way of me marketing myself and sharing my knowledge with people. So that is my second tip that I want to share with you. Once you have learned the relevant skill and you have spent some time developing that to expert level, then you want to make sure that you market yourself. It's very important, and there are so many different ways to market yourself now online, and that is why it's so important, and I'm almost tempted to say easy for you to actually build a business using the internet. As long as you approach it in the correct way, you can actually use it to build a very big freelancing business. So you can market yourself on YouTube, which is what I recommend, and I recommend YouTube because it is what has brought me to where I'm at right now, and it is what I continue to use because I actually do love YouTube. But you could do this using Instagram, which is blowing up. Instagram is growing really fast and it has a lot of attention, and ultimately that is what you're trying to get people's attention. You could use Facebook, you could use Twitter, whatever platform you decide to use, it doesn't matter, but the principle and the concept remains the same. You have to share your knowledge with people, and that is how you get people to actually follow you and to become a part of your tribe. So that is my second tip to you if you want to actually use this internet thing to actually make a full-time income for yourself. All right, so now let me talk about the third and final thing in my very simple 3-step process to use if you want to actually make money on the internet. My third tip to you is that you have to learn how to sell. Most people think they know how to sell, but it's not the right way to sell. And selling on the internet is totally different from selling offline. So some of the things I highly recommend that you learn are some things that I've spoken about before as well in some of my previous videos, are the psychology of selling. The psychology of selling online is far different from the psychology of selling in person. So you want to make sure you learn how to sell on the internet. Selling is very important. Once again, if you have the knowledge, which is the skill, and you market yourself well, that's not going to bring you the money that you're trying to make, right? So you have to figure out exactly how you can sell, and the best way to actually sell online is to sell without selling. So you have to figure out how you can do this using psychology and to reach the right people, so people can actually reach out to you and seek out your services. All right, so make sure you consume content. Once again, you read books to learn exactly the art of selling, to learn how you can sell online. One of the books I recommend for this is Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. It's one of my favorite books about selling. It's not really about selling, it's about persuasion, but persuasion is selling. So basically that is what I wanted to talk to you about. So guys, once again, make sure you learn a relevant skill, make sure you figure out how to market yourself, and make sure you know how to sell your services or your products so you can monetize your knowledge and actually make money from that. Okay guys, so that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about in this video. I really do hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, let me know by leaving a like on this video. Share it with a friend, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And finally, before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm always putting out great quality content that's going to help you to start your business and to grow your business, or to do whatever it is that you want to do on the internet. So with that said, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.